Warm the milk in the microwave for 1 minute. Add the coffee and also add the cocoa powder. Mix them together. Mix them well and keep aside. Now in a big bowl, add the eggs, caster sugar, brown sugar, and beat them with the beater. Beat them until they are very creamy and fluffy. You can see the color and quantity and creamy. Now you're going to add the cooking oil. Keep adding slowly and keep beating. Once you finish all the oil, then you beat for 20 seconds. Now add vanilla essence and the mixture of cocoa powder, milk and cocoa powder. Now add self-rising flour, and if you're using plain flour, make sure to add baking powder. Gently mix. Don't start the beater yet. Keep mixing slowly without beater on. Once you can see it's nearly mixed, then you start the beater and mix the rest. Now add the butter in the baking tin and bake for 1 hour on 180 degrees Celsius. Tap a little so all the bubbles come out. Now check with the knife. If knife comes clean, it means your cake is fully ready. Leave in the tin for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out and put on a cooling rack. Leave it for 1 hour or until it fully cooled down. It turned out very soft, spongy. You can decorate this cake for birthdays or any other cake you like. Or you can just have it with tea or coffee or without anything. It's very soft, very rich. Hope you like this and you do try, and comment below if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.